Sometimes when you're trying to drill a hole in a round object like this piece of pipe, it keeps rolling on you. Well, here's a way to keep that from happening.
I take a scrap piece of wood a foot or two long, 1x4 is a good size, and clamp it to my workbench. Using a jigsaw, I cut a V-shaped notch into first one end, then the other, then cut off the notched pieces. I lay these in line on the bench top and set the pipe, dowel, or rod in the bottom of the notch. Now I can bear down when drilling, and the round shape isn't going anywhere.
No slip, no roll, and I've got the hole just where I want it.